Good day, sir. Our topic is today is about boxing the compass. Okay, let's start. May makikita kayo dito ang pulang linya. Ito ay nagtuturo ng direction sa bandang itaas ay north. Sa ibaba naman ay south. Sa gilid naman ay east. At dito naman ang west. Ito ay tinatawag na cardinal direction. Next ay dito naman tayo sa green na guhit. Ito ay matatawag na intercardinal direction. Magsimula tayo sa quadrant na ito sa pamamagitan ng north at east. North at east ay matawag na north at east. Susunod naman ay sa pagitan ng south at east. Southeast. At sunod naman ay southwest. Southwest. Sunod naman ay northwest. Northwest. Makikita nyo naman ay mayroong tatlong linya na mamagitan sa cardinal at intercardinal direction. Dito tayo magsimula sa gitna. North, northeast. North by east. Northeast. North, northeast by north, northeast by east, east, northeast, east by north, east by south, east, southeast, southeast by east, southeast by south, south east, south by east, south by west, southwest, southwest by south, southwest by west, southwest, west by south, west by north, west, northwest, northwest by north, northwest by north, northwest by west, northwest by west. Sa bawat linya ay may katumbas na 11.25 degrees. Mula north hanggang east ay may 8 linya. So 11.25 degrees times 8 equals 0, 4, 16, 0, 2, 0, and 90. So yung S ay 90. Dito sa east 90 degrees, dito naman ay 180 degrees, dito naman ay 270 degrees, dito naman sa north ay 360 degrees.